Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial of PostgreSQL. In this tutorial, I'm going to tell you how to insert arrays in PostgreSQL. So arrays is a very important part of any programming language, and it is a very important and very powerful tool of PostgreSQL to include arrays in the database. So I will tell you how to create an array in your database, and it is basically created by the square braces that is created in each and every programming language normally. So first of all, we'll start off by creating a table, and I'll tell you how to create one-dimensional, multi-dimensional arrays in PostgreSQL. So I'll start off by creating my table, that is create table sal underscore emp, and first of all I have name, that is of text type. Next I have pay, that is of integer array type. So this is how you define an array, that is a single dimension array. You just put it in square braces. So this is how an integer is declared. So this array does not have any dimensions, like you could mention any dimensions like 5 or 6 or 7. So you mean this array, the size of the array would be of 7 integers, and you could put in 7 integers. But if you leave it blank, it doesn't matter. It means it has undefined size, and you could enter any amount of integers in it. It doesn't matter. So this is how you declare a one dimension array. Now I'll tell you how to declare a second dimension array, a 2D or a multi-dimension array. So this would be schedule, and this would be a multi-dimension array of text type. You could create you can create arrays of any primitive type data. It doesn't matter. So this is how our table would be created. So our table is successfully created. Next I'll show you how to insert values into your arrays. So we'll do it by insert into sal underscore emp values. First one is Rahul, the name. Then I'll tell you how to enter values in your array, that is single quotes, open your curly brace, and enter any amount of value you want. That is 10,000, 10,000, 10,000, and 10,000. So I have 4 values inserted in my array. So as you could see, this is how we create arrays. We insert values into arrays. So as this is numerical type data, I don't need codes for it. If you want to put some string type or character type data, you need codes for it. So this is how we create arrays, that is single quote and opening brace, and just put in your arrays. Now I'll tell you how to insert values into your 2D array. So you just need to do the same again. You just open quote and meeting and lunch. So just remember, this is a multi-dimension array, so I need to put 2 dimensions. And next I'll be putting in training and presentation. So this is how you put in multi-dimension arrays in PostgreSQL. So this means multi-dimension array. So you could check, you could just run it, and you see it returns successfully. Just copy this, and we'll put it once more, and this time I'll just change some values. That is Rishi 25,000 and 60,000, 10,000. Okay, so yeah, in lunch I'll just put dinner. You could just put in work for here. So now as I said, this is a multi-dimension array. Now what happens if I put a single dimension, or try to put a single dimension here? You would see that this would give me an error, and the error is multi-dimension array must have sub-arrays with matching dimensions. So it is a dimension mismatch error. So you could see that the dimensions you gave is not appropriate, so you would add it. So you could just run now, and it runs successfully. You could select your values, that is select star from sal underscore emp, and you would see that this is how array data is represented in PostgreSQL. So yeah, so one more thing that is important is that each array is stored with an index. Each value inside an array is stored with an index that starts from 1. Like this 10,000 here is the first index of integer type, or the first index of this array. This is the second, third, and the fourth index. So you could just access your data within arrays with these index numbers. And I'll just show it to you in a while that how can you access data within your array by examples. That is like I would do select star from or I should just do it select pay and the second dimension from emp underscore sal, sal underscore emp, and this would give me the second index of the arrays that create, that is this one, this 10,000 and the 60,000. This is the second, this, oh sorry, 10,000 and 25,000. This is the second index of these arrays. So you just run this and you see I get 10,000 and 25,000 as my result. So this is how you could just create index on your arrays, and you could just select data within arrays. So like if I give one more example, you could just write select name from sal underscore emp, where pay of 1 is not equal to pay of 2. So in this query, I'll just see, in this query what happens is I'm just selecting the name where the first index of the pay is not equal to the second index. So as you could see that I get only Rishi. You would just see select star from sal underscore emp, and here you would just see the index first and index second in case of Rahul was equal, so it did not return the name Rahul, but in this case 25,000 and 60,000, and it is different, so it returned me Rishi. So this is how you access data within arrays. So yeah, next I'll be telling you how to get the dimensions of an array. So you could just do this, select, you don't need to use this much because you will define your dimensions yourself. So this is just to demonstrate. So you could just write select array underscore dims, and I need of schedule from sal underscore emp, where name equal to Rahul. So this would return me the dimensions of array. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Subscribe for more and stay tuned. In the next tutorial I'm going to tell you how to modify your arrays. So thank you for watching.